Right. Good morning on a Friday. Anyway, today I'm using that. Yeah, it runs along that beam and has this this pulley system to lift stuff. And I'm basically using it not to lift the chassis. The chassis I can lift myself actually. I tried it. It's not that heavy, but just to support it, because I don't want it dropping, because I'm removing the spring, right? And this will end up in the air, and I'll be able to take the back axle out. Same with the front axle, and then as you can see, I brushed all the top of it, but I want to brush the under part and the sides, and with this I'll just put it on the side like that outside and just brush it, so it'll be easier. This morning I did this for Philip. I just held it both ways there and put the wheels on and for his table saw. So now I'm onto that. Yeah, so that's it. Have a good weekend and see you soon.
So, are you ready for a bit of a family feud today, yeah?
Yes, we are.